This one is for everybody who has ever climbed a ladder to cut one branch. You're doing it wrong. But let me introduce you to this 3-in-1 kit. Now what I mean by that is you got your pruning shears, you have a 8-inch chainsaw, and you have a pole extender. So this pole extender is gonna get up in those high areas. So no more playing climb the ladder and maybe or maybe not, I'm gonna fall off, right? You don't have to climb the ladder to reach those high points with this thing. Now, with these pruning shears, let me show you a little secret that took me a minute to figure out. It's kind of cool. It has a power button right here. So you turn that on. I just thought, you know, hey, put the battery in, you're good to go. But that's kind of a safety thing right here. And another safety thing right here is they come locked, and you want to keep them locked because they're going to do 2 pounds of cutting force. Now that is enough to make a bad day or send somebody to the ER if you're not safe, right? The other thing that it does come with, just thought I'd mention, is you're gonna get an extra chainsaw blade, so that's always nice. You're gonna get some safety goggles and then some gloves. Now, if you're gonna be doing the chainsaw, I would highly recommend wearing the goggles, especially if you're overhead, because you're gonna just get a lot of debris in your eyes. On here, it does come with a little bit of oil, but the thing is that it oils itself. So you just gotta make sure that there's oil in there. Right here, you put the oil in here and then it's self-lubricating. The other thing is that it's completely brushless. Oh yeah, and you got that chain guard right there. It is completely brushless. And speaking of the brushless, I just love the brushless. It tends to last a lot longer being brushless over brushed. Plus it comes with, if you're already in the DeWalt battery families, then this is a no-brainer pickup. And you can just use them on the 20-volt series batteries. So you got your self-pruning shears like this, and to get them started, you just press the battery, turn it on, and it's in safety mode right here, or lock, and you just double tap to open that up. Plus it comes with a counter, how many times. So if you're pruning and you need to know how many branches that you want to take off of there, and you can count how many times that you've actually pushed that button, that goes 1, 2, and so forth, right? And so you can keep track of that, so you can really get precise when you're trying to prune a tree, a fruit tree, or anything like that. All right, enough jibber jabber, let's go cut some trees. All right, so here's the job I'm gonna be tackling. As you can see, these branches are getting a little bit low. So we're just gonna bring them up a little higher, and I can't reach them. So I needed a pole extender. So you can see I'm just trying to get these away from touching the RV when the wind blows. I don't want them smacking. And also if I pull out, I don't wanna be scraping the top of my RV. So that's the job. I'm gonna test out these pruning shears, and then we'll test out the 8-inch mini chainsaw here. So let me tell you a little bit about the pole saw. So you do have the safety switch right here that you need to push in before it allow you to pull the trigger. If you don't have that pushed in, you're not gonna be able to push the trigger. So just that. And then this right here, telescoping, so you can make it big. We're gonna go as big as we can get it because it's pretty high up there. So let's see here. I'm about 5'11", and that's the first reach. I'm gonna say that right there is good, probably 10 feet. So I don't know, you can check on that, but it does time out, so it does turn itself off if you're not using it. So there we go, and just kicked it back on. That's awesome. And just like that, we took our first branch. All right, if you can get your pruning shears around a branch, you can pretty much cut it. So I want to show you that really quick, just around a branch, and it's cut right there, just like that. And we're building a path. We can get back to the other side of the property. I'll show you this. I mean, this is so much easier than using a machete to build a path. And if it's too thick of a branch, you can just simply use a chainsaw. All right, switching it from a pruning device to a chainsaw is super easy. You just gotta pull the battery and swap out the battery. Again, with the chainsaw right here, you're gonna have a safety switch right here. You gotta push in and pull the trigger. We're gonna get rid of this log right here, which is a little bit bigger than the pruning shears can hit. And that just sliced through it literally like butter. The only thing that stopped it was my blade right there. So that is really, really, really fast chainsaw, pruning shears. I mean, you're gonna get the job done. This is another one blocking the path. We're just having fun now. Take the chainsaw. And boom, it is done. Oh no, you're on the ground. You didn't even see, oh, you didn't see any of that. We just cleared a brush pile in that fast, right? So this chainsaw with that pole saw and that shears is gonna clear a path, get the job done quickly. So talking about this pole saw, you just slap the battery in, then you got a safety button right here with the trigger right there. Now it is telescoping, so you also have, you can attach a strap and it comes with the strap right here. I just don't ever use it because it kind of gets in the way, but if I'm doing this for a long time and this becomes top heavy, then that strap is definitely a back saver. Then you got the telescoping extension rods, which is super easy. Now this one is a little bit spring loaded, so the top one, so just be careful and know that. So as you push that out, it's gonna be spring loaded down, right? So you have to actually put some tension on it, 2 hands. I can't do it with 1 hand, but it's spring loaded down, so just be careful with that. So what I like really about this is you can tilt this any which way you want. So this mechanism helps you to tilt it right or left. You can go, you tilt this in, you push, and then it will tilt right or left, which is awesome, so you can get that perfect cut. And then right here, if you need to push this in, this will tilt that way, or you'll tilt it left and right, or up and down. This will tilt it up and down. The other one right here, you can see that. You push this in, up and down. You can lock it in different multiple positions right here. So it has a bunch of features. So this is left and right, up and down. And this one right here, it looks like this one right here is to lock it. That one will lock your head and your attachment in there. So that one right here just locks your attachment in so that it doesn't ever fall out, just as a safety lock. So if you literally are tired of climbing up ladders to get those branches, don't do it anymore. Now you have a simple solution that's brushless, that's gonna take you to new heights, literally.